Hello everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. So Apple just released another software update a few days ago. So we have the iOS 15.3.1. All the supported devices are from iPhone 6s all the way to the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. This software update fixes some problems, some issues. Some people had some issues with the display. The display was turning like a yellowish. Also, some people had problems with the Wi-Fi, with the Bluetooth. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro Max. But overall, the software update fixes all these problems. And as you can see, the software update is not very big. It's like 250 megabytes. This software update varies on different devices. For example, the iPhone 6 said the software update was 280 megabytes. On the iPhone SE first generation, actually, the software update was 1 gigabyte, which is quite a lot in my opinion, but again, varies on different devices. So the iPhone 13 Pro actually, I didn't have any issues, no problem with the software, no problem with the display. Was okay with the Wi-Fi and with the 5G. Some people had issues when they turn the Wi-Fi, when they go into Wi-Fi to the 5G. But luckily for me, I didn't have any issues. Everything works fine as supposed to. And we're very close to the iOS, which is a very interesting software update. I can't wait to see this software update. I'm talking about the iOS 15.4. And the reason I'm very excited is because that we're gonna be able to use the iPhone with a mask. This is gonna be interesting to see, so make sure to subscribe and like it. But let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues with your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. Overall, this software update just fixes all the issues. No new features here, just fixes the problems that many users had. But overall, the software update is stable, works fine, no issues. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.